Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin Hippo, and welcome to Hasty Hippo Hints, where I'm going to teach you tips and tricks of the reselling trade in under 5 minutes. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to set up categories in your store. Store categories are important for several reasons. One, it organizes your store in an easy to shop way for your buyers. So whatever they're looking for, they can easily find by utilizing these categories. The second reason it's important, we have been told by several eBay reps on different occasions, when you properly organize your stuff on your store and have them in the right categories, it helps eBay to more easily put your stuff in the right categories for their algorithms, and it will give you a higher search engine ranking. So just something to keep in mind. Store categories are good for many reasons. So let's look at how to set them up. So you want to go to your Seller Hub and find your selling tools and go down to Manage My Store. Click on that. Over here on the left, you'll see Store Management and Store Design. You'll want to click right there on Store Categories. Over here on the right, Add Category. And you can add up to 5 at a time, and you just type in there what you want it to be. So say you want to set up men's shorts, video games, whatever you want to put in there, you just put it in and then you would click save. I'm going to click cancel, but you would click save. Now you can set up subcategories. So how do you do that? Well, you click on, say I have clothing, shoes, and accessories here. I would click on that, and inside of here, you click the add category on the right to add your different clothing items. And you can even go a step further and make even more subcategories. So like say here, the women's sleepwear and intimates category I have. It's already set up in clothing, and then women's sleepwear and intimates. Then within that, I have added these subcategories so that the bras and the pajamas and the lingerie are all separate. So it's that easy, guys. You just go to add category, make your main categories here on category level 1, and then you can go inside of those on category level 2 and set up subcategories, and you can go even farther into category level 3 and set up subcategories there. So what does this look like in your store? You see over here where they have a drop-down menu on my store. If you go to the clothing, it pulls up all those categories I had on that category level 2. And where I showed you I have category level 3, they can click that and just look at these items. So that's what it looks like in your store on the left hand side for your buyers. You can see how nice and organized it is, and how anybody looking for anything in particular would be able to find it very easily. And if someone can shop your store easily and find what they're looking for, they're more likely going to buy than if they're searching and searching and can't find something. Then they're just going to get frustrated and go away and buy from somebody else. So you want to have everything set up as easy as you can for your buyers, so that they're more likely to buy from you and not leave in frustration. And again, it will help you with your search engine rankings. Thank you for joining us today on Hasty Hippo Hints. If you liked this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button down below. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.